If you're planning on going on a cruise this year in 2026, you're definitely going to want to consider picking up one of these. This is the Cruise On Cruise Approved Power Strip. Power Strip. The company Cruise On sent me this as a gift to do a review on for you guys. This is a non-surge protector for cruise ships. It has two USB ports that you can use to charge your devices, three power outlets, because most cruise ship rooms only have one outlet. So you plug this portion in, and you'll have three available outlets. Most cruise ships adhere to that policy where they require no surge protection. Cruises like Carnival, Princess, Norwegian, Holland, America, MSC. So you're definitely gonna want to consider bringing along one of these because the one you probably have in your home is probably not does not comply with their policies. So cruise on, check it out, guys.